Good morning, students. Let's learn the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Ogden Nash. We have started the poem, and as I told you, it is a ballad. A ballad means a long narrative poem which tells a story. This poem is a comical poem, and the theme of the poem is not to judge a book by its cover, or all that glitters is not gold. As I explained it to you yesterday, that Belinda is the main character of the poem, and she has kept several pets in her house. She gave them some funny names, like you can come to your book, open the book and see the names given to the animals. Black kitten was named as Ink. Grey mouse was named as Blink. Yellow dog was named as Mustard. And the dragon was named as Custard. These three animals, Con, Blink, Ink and Mustard, all these considered themselves to be brave. ये सब अपने आप को बड़ा ब्रेव समझते थे. Okay? They actually boast of their bravery. They used to boast about their bravery. They even made fun of the dragon. He actually used to keep quiet, but all these other three animals made fun of Custard, means the dragon. They often made fun of Custard because of his cowardice. It is considered coward. Who? The dragon. The dragon was considered coward by these other three creatures. One day, as we have discussed, a pirate entered the house of Belinda. In her little white house, a pirate entered. He had pistols and a dagger in his hands and mouth. Pistols were there in his hands, and a cutlass means a dagger in his mouth. Okay? That we have discussed. Now come to paragraph number. Next paragraph, we have to start from here. Belinda paled, 8th paragraph. Belinda paled and she cried, "Help, help!" But Mustard fled with a terrified yell. Ink trickled down to the bottom of the household, and little Mouse blinked strategically. Mouse held. What happened? When the pirate entered the house, Belinda started crying, "Help, help!" Then the animals who used to call themselves brave, they ran here and there to hide. Mouse rushed to hide in a mouse hole, and Ink also trickled down to the bottom of some household object. Mustard also fled, giving a cry. A dog also ran away from the place. Means all these three creatures ran away from the place. Belinda naturally got very pale and she cried for help. But up jumped Custard, snorting like an engine, clashed his tail like irons in the dungeon. With a clatter and a clank and a jangling squawk, he went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. Okay? What happened? This Custard gathered all his courage and jumped upon the pirate. Naturally, it was the inherent quality of the dragon. He gathered all his courage and jumped up at the pirate. He made loud noises like iron man. आयरन के बजने की, दो चीज़ों के बजने की जो आवाज़ होती है वही आवाज़ उसकी टेल से आने लगी. Clashed his tail like iron in a dungeon. Dungeon means cave. With a clatter and a clang and a jangling squawk means like iron make noise sound. When iron objects are clashed together, they make a special sound. And such sound was made by this custard. And then what happened? He went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. Like, what is it like? Like is a simile here. So, as a robin means it is a bird. A robin strikes for a bird. झपट्टा मारती एक worm के लिए. Robin is a bird, and as it jumps up for a worm, the dragon also jumped at the pirate. Fine. The pirate gaped at Belinda's dragon and gulped some grog from his pocket flagon. He fired 2 bullets, but they did not hit, and the custard gobbled him every bit. What happened now? Seeing the power of custard, the pirate looked at him with surprise. The pirate was so surprised to see the power of the dragon. The pirate gulped some kind of liquor from the large pocket and fired 2 bullets, aiming custard. What happened? He gulped something, he took something out of his pocket, gulped up, and then fired 2 bullets aiming at custard. He aimed his bullets at custard, but the pirate failed to hit the dragon. But he could not target properly. Who? The pirate. The pirate could not target properly, and so the custard swallowed the pirate completely. Who? Who swallowed? The dragon means custard. Custard swallowed the pirate. Fine. He fought the pirate very bravely, who was considered covered by these other creatures of Belinda. But when the time came, this custard proved himself to be brave. He proved himself as the bravest one. Other creatures ran here and there. Belinda embraced him, Mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and Blink in glee did gyrate around the dragon that ate the pirate. Now what happened? After seeing the bravery of Custard, Belinda hugged him. Belinda ने उसको गले लगा लिया. Other pets also came and showed affection. They also praised the bravery of the dragon. Mustard licked him affectionately. Dog licking करते हैं जब वो बहुत प्यार किसी पर करते हैं. They lick something. So Mustard licked him affectionately. No one was mourning for the death of pirate. Who is going to mourn for? Mourn means दुखी होना. To express sadness, दुख प्रकट करना. Okay? So no one was sad over the death of pirate. Instead, Ink and Blink danced in joy around the dragon. These small creatures started dancing near the pirate. Okay? Around the dragon. These creatures started dancing round the dragon. Actually, dragon did a heroic act. He gobbled up the pirate and all these small creatures started dancing round the dragon. But presently up spoke little dog Mustard. I would have been twice as brave if I hadn't been flustered. And as spoke Ink and up spoke Blink, we would have been the 3 times as brave as we think. And Custard and I quite agree that everybody is braver than me. Now, after celebrating the death of Pirate, the little dog Mustard said that if he was not given the chance to prove his bravery. If he had been given, if he had not been puzzled, he would have been doubly brave. वो कह रहा है कि उस समय मैं पजल्ड हो गया, नहीं तो मैं भी अपनी ब्रेवरी प्रूव कर देता. He would have been doubly brave, double brave प्रूव कर देता अपने आप को. On hearing this, Ink and Blink said that they would have been thrice as brave. अभी मस्टर्ड ने क्या बोला? डबल ब्रेव होता मैं. But these small creatures are telling that they would prove themselves thrice bold or thrice as brave. Okay? Twice, thrice. And they did nothing when the pirate entered. So Custard agreed that everybody was braver than him. But see the timidness, see the behavior of, the attitude of Custard. He said that, okay, you people, you are the brave and I am the coward one. Fine? Means he said that everybody was braver than him. But what do you think? Who was the bravest one? These other 3 creatures did nothing, but now they are saying that they were braver twice and thrice. And after listening this, Custard said that, okay, you people were braver than me. Belinda still lives in her little white house with her little black kitten and her little grey mouse and her little yellow dog and her little red wagon and her Trulio, little pet dragon. Belinda is as brave as a barrel full of bears and Ink and Blink close lions down the stairs. Mustard is as brave as a tiger in a rage, but Custard keeps crying for a nice safe cage. What happened again? The poet says that Belinda still lives in her little white house with her pets. All these pets were there with her in her little house. Okay? And along with her little wagon also. एक little wagon भी थी. And the most important, the pet dragon Custard. Ink, Blink, Mustard, Custard, her red wagon, all these were there in her white house. Again, the poet says that Belinda is as brave as barrel full of bears. Ink and Blink chase lions down the stairs. अभी भी वही बात, they were trying to prove that they were lions chasing down the stairs. And Mustard is as brave as an angry tiger, and the Custard always cries for a safe place, a safe cage. So the same thing comes again. Earlier they were considering these animals considering themselves as brave, and then the pirate entered. They rushed here and there to hide, and when the moment came, the dragon proved his bravery. Isn't it? So, at last, again, the whole situation comes very close. It's very interesting that Belinda started keeping all her pets in little white house, again with all her pets, and the same thing means this custard was again asking for a safe place to hide in. So with this we have completed the poem.